Welcome to the iPad mobile application overview. During this session, we will explain how the iPad application allows users to quickly access project documents on their iPads. This session expects that you already have an iPad application installed and set up. If you need help getting the iPad application installed and set up, please see the video entitled iPad Getting Started in the video library. When the iPad application is started, it will update the data for all of the projects that you have previously added. If you are not connected to a Wi-Fi network, it cannot update, so it will display the information previously stored on the iPad. If you must use the current information, close the application, connect your iPad to a Wi-Fi network, and then restart the application. If you would like to add projects to your iPad, simply press the menu button in the upper right corner. Select the Available Projects action to see a list of all projects that you have access. Then click on the checkbox to select one or more projects and press the Add button. When the application returns to the My Project screen, it will attempt to get updated information from the server. This could take a few minutes. Once the project information has been downloaded, you can open the project and begin viewing the documents. When you open a project, the application will check to see if there are any updates and then download the information. This may take a few seconds, and then the application will display the project folder tree. You can navigate the folder tree to find the folder desired. Whenever a folder contains documents, they will be displayed on the right hand of the screen. The file preview on the right side of the screen has three modes: List mode, Grid mode, and Thumbnail mode. You can select whichever makes locating the information easiest. When you find a document that you want to view, tap the screen. The app will display the document selected and allow you to zoom and pan to see the information within the document. If you double tap on the screen, the system will zoom into the point where you've tapped. If you double tap a second time, the screen will show the entire document. On the right side of the screen, the system will display a list of linked documents. Each link will list the number and name of the linked drawing. If you tap on a link, the system will quickly display the linked drawing. You can return to the original document by clicking on the document number, which is located at the top of the list. There are many types of links that may be displayed. For example, in addition to details, elevations, or section drawings, you may see RFIs and sketches linked. The system allows any two documents in your system to be linked, so you can see anything. If you would like to view the next document in the folder, you can swipe the screen to the left and the next drawing will be displayed. You can swipe to the right to see the previous drawing. However, you must be displaying the entire document to be able to navigate to the previous and next. Otherwise, the screen will simply pan around the selected document. If you need to access a document frequently, you can add the document to your favorites list. Simply press the menu button on the top right and select Add to Favorites. You can also remove one by selecting the Remove from Favorites. The document will now appear in your favorites folder on the main screen. The preview screen only shows the first page of multi-page documents. To view the entire document, simply press the menu button and select View Original. The system will display a list of your applications that can view that document type. Select one and the document will be displayed. The system can view any type of document including Excel spreadsheets, Word documents, CAD files, videos, and photographs. Any file that you can be viewed on an iPad can be stored in the project. As you can see, the iPad application is very powerful yet easy to use. It makes accessing your project's documents easy. For more information, please go to our video training library. Thank you for watching this training session.